Lala.
Siri, is everything okay?
I got in trouble yesterday for forgetting my manners again.
Oh no, that's not good. Teacher always says that manners matter.
I know, but sometimes I forget. It's hard to remember all the time.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we are going to talk about the importance of good manners. Who can tell me why manners are important?
Manners are important because they show respect and kindness towards others.
That's right, Lala. Now, Siri, can you tell me why you think manners are important?
Well, manners are important because they make others feel good and respected.
Exactly. Now, let's practice some manners together. Lala, can you demonstrate how to say please and thank you when asking for something?
Sure, teacher. May I please borrow a pencil? Thank you.
Excellent. Now, Siri, can you try?
Please, may I please borrow a pencil? Thank you.
Wonderful, Siri. See how easy it is to use good manners.
Yeah, I guess so.
Remember, good manners make a big difference in how we interact with others. Let's all try our best to use them every day.
I will help remind you, Siri.
Thanks, Lala. I'll do my best.
Okay, that's all for today. In coming days, we will learn more. Thank you, class.